Alright, you know the deal. We're making this. Let's get started. Prep the bell pepper. Done. Thinly sliced onion. Look at the proportions in that picture. And I think I have a little bit more than I need. I'm gonna go ahead and say the same is true for the jalapenos. But I'm gonna leave the seeds in. I'm a big fan of spicy. Also about the onions, what I'm starting to think is that right there where it says half peel and thinly slice, what it means is cut it in half and then slice one half of it and don't use the other half. So when I put this all together, I'm only going to take about half of that. Zest lime until you have some zest. But I like the lime zest, so I'm just going to go with whatever I have instead of measuring out a half a teaspoon. Cut lime into wedges. Bam! Done. Squeeze juice from 2 lime wedges into bowl with jalapeno, toss to coat, set aside. Done. Heat a drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add onion, bell pepper, and 1 teaspoon Southwest spice. Cook, stirring until softened and lightly charred. 4 to 5 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Remove from pan and set aside. Well, I've got a drizzle of oil in there, and let's do it. In case you're wondering what goes into Southwest spice, there's your ingredients. It's just, we don't know the ratios of each. Let's continue. So that's going. Meanwhile, in a second bowl, combine sour cream, lime zest, and a squeeze or two of lime juice and a little bit of water until it's drizzly, and season with salt and pepper. Alright. I got this. My lime zest, my sour cream, juice some limes. Let's do it. Slice chicken into thin strips. It was so much easier with the veggies because the chicken, it just wants to slip and slide everywhere. But I did it. It's done. There's my vegetables, there's my jalapenos, my squeezed limes, my seasoning, my oil, my motivation, and, beer. And we're gonna cook this chicken. Do exactly what it says. Do not stray from the recipe. The next step says something about baking tortillas with cheddar for a couple of minutes, and don't let it sit there too long. So I'm gonna put that in, and I think it's about time to add veggies. And the chicken's already browned, so we'll just do what we can. I'll maybe turn down the heat a little bit, medium high. That cooks fast. I'm not a fucking, I'm not Superman. I'm not like a speeding bullet or nothing, you know. Plus, I'm making a video for you. Alright guys, everything's just about done. It's about time to wrap it up. Assemble and serve. Divide chicken mixture among tortillas. Dollop with crema and scatter pickled jalapeno over to taste. Serve with the remaining lime wedges, which there are none, for squeezing over. But I think I've got it limey enough, man. I used the entireness of the lime. And gentlemen, we are done. This was the photo, and I must be getting better at this because it looks pretty much the same. Granted, I gotta fold them and eat them, which I'll be glad to, but as pictured, as made. Oh yeah.